This one's going to be a pain in the butt. We got 2 bad sensors, possible bad control board. ComfortAire by Mars. Just taking everything apart. Last screw here, and then I'll be able to see the board. Or at least get in there and check everything, but yep. Another day. Here's our new board. We're gonna need that special paste, boy. Upside down boards are the worst. I gotta get this thing mounted up. There's screws everywhere. There's the temperature sensor connector right there. And I was told by Mars tech support just to replace both, so that's what we're doing. What a freaking nightmare. These little sensors are right here, and you have to disassemble the whole entire unit to get to them. Yes, I did verify that this one right here, resistance, air temperature is 34 ohms. On the old one, it's at 1 ohm. So I did find the problem, but let's go ahead and replace the board just because this unit's been having a lot of problems, a lot of intermittent problems. So we're gonna go ahead and replace it. Let's get it. Life of an HVAC tech. While I was pulling out this wire from the old board off this little Molex, couldn't get it off. I couldn't depress that good enough, so I used my these, and I went like this to try to pull the wire thing off. Never will do that again, because I ripped that off. It was a pain in the butt to get this pin out of there. I had to use a very small Allen to get in there. It's just been a butt. So I cut back the wire, pulled the pin out there, and then I had to go get this from Harbor Freight. So, I mean, damn, that sucks, but we'll see if we got good operation at the end. The sweet sound of victory. I know you can't see it probably that good, but the fan is running. I just checked both heads. We're good. Oh man, that one's a pain in the ass. I will never recommend sensors on the ComfortAire by Mars ever again.